Teddy, are you ready to sing and play? Yeah! Guess what? What? Your friend Marco the polar bear is coming later. Yay! He'll help me with the song and then you guys can play. Okay. Oh! Hi, my friends. Hello. I'll take off my mask. We're alone. Yeah, we're alone. All right. Can I help you, Teddy? Okay. All right. Go ahead and grab baby. Sit baby on your lap if they feel like doing it. If not, you can just sing the songs along with them. And we'll go ahead and get started. Now we're going to start with cheeky cheeky chin. That's the one where we point at the eyes, nose, cheeks, and chin, and name off the different parts while we sing. Ready? Okay. Eyes, nose, cheeky cheeky chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky cheeky chin. Eyes, nose, cheeky cheeky chin. Cheeky cheeky chin, nose, eyes. Yay! Clap for me. Do you guys like to clap at home? Let's clap. Yay! Okay. Let's do a little, let's see, I think I have a bounce yet. Yes, let's bounce. Are you ready? We're going to pretend that we are toast in the toaster. Are you ready? Okay. I'm toasting the toaster. I'm getting really hot. Tick, tock, tick, tock. And up I pop. Yay! Let's clap. Yay! Okay. You ready for another little game? Let's see what we have next. Ooh. Snowflake, snowflake. For snowflake, snowflake, you're going to need a scarf or a towel or something you can wave in the air. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Grab your scarf. Snowflake, snowflake, flake, twirl up high. Snowflake, snowflake, up in the sky. Snowflake, snowflake, land on my toes. Snowflake, snowflake, land on my nose. Ah! Yay! That was so much fun, Teddy. Let's see what we have next. I think we have 2 more fun little rhymes and then a song with shaky eggs. Oh, we're going to go ahead and pretend that we're outside in the cold in the snow and we're sliding. We're on a sleigh going down a hill. Whoosh. Are you ready, Teddy? Yeah? Okay. Let's go on a sleigh ride through the snow. Up and down, away we go. We climb so high to the snowy hilltop and whoosh! Down the hill till we stop. This one's really good for our upper arm muscles. Okay. Ooh, and this one's so much fun. I love it. It's a hippopotamus. Do you know what a hippopotamus is? It's a big, giant animal that likes to swim in the water. Are you ready? Okay. A hippopotamus got on a city bus. And all the people say, "You're squishing us! Yay!" Okay, remember you can go back and repeat any of these. It's really good for baby to hear these over and over if there's one you particularly like or baby likes. And you can incorporate them into any activities like mealtime, right before mealtime or after. Maybe a gentle one for after, right? And maybe when you sit down and read a book. Teddy, go ahead and sit here. We're going to do a fun song about a walrus. That's another big animal that lives by the ocean and has big teeth that stick out of his mouth. So, are you guys ready? Okay. So, our walrus goes out and he plays all day and he gets his coat very, very dirty. He rolled around in strawberries and he rolled around in berries and he just got all messy. So he takes off his coat and he puts it in the washing machine down by the ocean. That's where he lives. You guys ready? If you have something that shakes, you can pause the video and go ahead and grab that because this is a shaky egg song. Are you ready? Okay. Oh, the walrus washes his winter coat down by the wavy ocean. He adds some water and he adds some soap. Then he waits and he waits and he waits. Then the laundry shakes, shakes, shakes. The laundry shakes and shakes and shakes. The laundry shakes and shakes and shakes until it's clean. The laundry shakes, shakes, shakes. The laundry shakes and shakes and shakes. The laundry shakes, shakes, shakes until it's clean. Yay! Let's see what he got in his wash. Oh my goodness, look. His coat isn't dirty anymore. It's clean. There you go, Walrus. Okay. So, I'm going to go ahead and check and see if your friend Marco is here yet. Okay? He's been waiting patiently. Let me get him out. Hi, Marco. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm very good, thank you. And you? How are you? Okay. Can you help me with our little game we did the other day, the rhyme with the fish? You're hungry, right? Yes, always. So hungry. Okay. Teddy, why don't you go back and wait for Marco? And we will do our little song. You guys ready? Okay, Marco. Marco, are you ready to eat? Yes! Okay. Can we go fishing? Yes, 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 yes! Yes! Okay. So, Marco the polar bear, as white as the snow, sat on the ice near the cold water's flow. Lunch! I need lunch! He said. Oh my gosh! He stuck in his paw. And he came out with a fish! Oh, yum, 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 yum. What color is the fish that Marco found? What color is it? It's blue, that's right. Okay, Marco, why don't you go and share your fish with Teddy? Okay. Friends, what else is blue? Let's see what else I can find here. Well, there's a big, giant blue elephant. Look at his big blue ears. They're pink on the inside and blue on the outside. What else do we have that's blue? What about a little blue duck? Oh my goodness. I found a blue plate for eating on. And, our favorite, it's a nice blue ball. We can play with it, throw it in the air, catch it. Okay. All right. Remember to keep reading, read every day, make it a habit. And it's a fun time to share and cuddle and be close with baby. Have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you soon. See you next time. Goodbye.